immediately grab an oxygen mask, pulling it firmly toward you. It is the action of pulling the mask toward your face that releases a pin to start the oxygen flow. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and continue to breathe normally while securing the elastic band around your head. Although the bag will not inflate, oxygen will flow to the mask. When your own mask is secure, assist children and fellow passengers. Continue to use the oxygen mask until advised otherwise by a uniformed crew member. A life jacket is provided under your seat. In the unlikely event of a water landing, remove your jacket from the pouch. Pull the life jacket over your head. Wrap the belt around your back and fasten it in the front. The life jacket must not be inflated inside the aircraft, as this may hinder your ability to leave through an exit. Inflate the life jacket once outside the aircraft.